Bum ba bum 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 ba bum 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 bum. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm running a little bit late this morning. I woke up and I was like, man. I looked at the market. I saw it kind of chopping around, and I thought, well. Maybe it's better to sleep in a little longer. Let's go. What's popping? What's popping? Good morning. Good morning. Right now, looking at the QQQ here, 306.83. What's good? Oh, yesterday market sold off and then rallied back up to the 309s. Okay. Oh, God. Almost. Oh, no. Dropping stuff over here. We're dropping stuff. Good morning, good morning. Robert Conover in the chat, keeping it alive all morning long. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Thinking the Q's pushes up to the 308s from here, huh? What are we thinking? What are we liking? What are we looking? Got the VWAP down there at the 306 area. Looking like some resistance right now here at the 307.37 area on the QQQ. The NASDAQ. Can she push above 307.50 here? We're going to find out. We're going to find out, boys. We got 20 seconds left on this candle here. I can see a push above 307.50 here on the Qs. Looking like we're going to get it here. Looking for this push up now. I'm long for the 97s. See if we can lock in a nice little $50 profit here. There we go. 50 bucks in the bank. Got one more contract here. See if it'll push up a little bit higher. And yep. No fill. Oh, come on. There we go. Getting filled. Locking in a nice little $57 there on two contracts on the MNQ. Not bad. Not bad. Then the QQQ pushes up now above the 307.50. Like I said, was looking for that move to break out above this resistance here up to the 307.80 now. Let's go, boys. We're rocking, we're rolling. The market is doing something. It's doing something here. Oh, she's still going up to the 308s now. Wowzers. Should have kept that long. Oh my, look at that thing. 308.10 just squeezing straight up right now. Look at this. Ay, ay, ay. From the... I was long from down here. I think 50, like the 97s. All the way up there to 640 now. Wow. On the M and Q here. Look at that breakout. This thing, just a big old boner candle to the moon right now. Wow. She's still going. 308.25 now. $308.50 next. Ay, 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 papi. Definitely not going to chase it up here, that's for sure. But look at that move now. Up there to 308.50 area on the QQQ here. Nice little move. If you're just now tuning in, don't forget to hit that like button. Let's go, boys. Help me help you. It's always, that's what I like to say, you know. Help me help you. I help you, you help me. I'm not sure, like, why am I feeling my chair a little higher today? There we go. So we'll look to see if we get a pullback here. Get another opportunity to get long. But right now, look at a little overextended up here. I wouldn't want to chase it. Especially looking here at the 1 minute chart on the M&Q right now. See if we can get a little bit of a pullback here. Give me a little bit of a pullback. Man, we get over 309 on the QQQ. It could get a nice little run up here. Over 309 resistance puts us up to like 312, 313 on the QQQ. You can see here, if we manage to break above 309, you got this resistance here. You got resistance, resistance, a lot of resistance there at that 308.50, 309 level here on the QQQ right now. See if that resistance is going to hold us down here. We can get some selling pressure to come in, maybe pull back to the 307s again. 308 area. Is it going to be resistance here? Market continuing to push up here. We got all that resistance at this level, so just be a little careful chasing it up here. I want to see a breakout over 308.50. Let me know the bulls are in control here. Testing 308.50 here. So much resistance at this level. If we could break through it, I think we're just going to skyrocket here. Just got to get through it, though. Looks like we might run up to 309 here now. Look at that move, baby. Currently long on the M&Qs from the 43s now. Let's go. Taking a little bit of profit there for that push up to the 309s on the QQQ. Look at this thing going, baby. Look at my entry all the way down to the 41s. We're up at the 60 to 8, 69s. Looking for that break over 309 here. It's absolutely cray-cray. Trying to break over 309. And break it, baby. Oh my gosh. Trying here. Trying to break 309 on the QQQ. 97, 308, 99. And there we go. Oh, baby. Let's go. The bulls are back. Look at this big old squeeze up above 309 there. So entering off of that bull flag there. You can see squeezing up there at 309 now. Just like I said, pushing through that resistance, this thing was going to go. Thank you, thank you. What's popping? My nose is picking my nose here. That was a nice little move, though. Getting that break out of that bull flag. You can see on the 1 minute chart here on the IronBeam app a little bit better. Pretty much just waiting for that break over that 40 level. And there it is, up to the 80s. 309.25, still moving higher here. What a time to be alive. Looking at the bigger picture here. This is the hourly chart now on the QQQ. So holding that 305 level here. We got that 312 resistance coming up there. See what this market is going to do. Overall, still inside this channel, thinking that the market can kind of push up here a little bit before sell, sell, sell. You can see that last kind of bounce back there in March from the 317 level up there to 368. If we do a comparison on that, you can see that pretty much puts us up there 330, 340 on the QQQ before heading lower here if it can get moving. Let's see what happens. A little bit of resistance there right now. 309s. I think it's good to get a little bit of a pullback anyway. Getting a little overextended. If we get a pullback to the 308s, we consolidate at 308. That could be real nice. Entry there. I think we get a pullback at some point. We got to get a pullback here at some point. You got to retest these levels. These 308 level would be a good area to pull back to. It's currently 11:14 on the East Coast. Lots of time left in the day here. Lots of time to be alive. Got a lot of time to be alive. Market still just kind of squeezing up here. I was hoping for a little bit of a pullback to the EMAs a little bit, you know, give us an entry here. Right now, still just kind of pushing up there. No FOMO, my friends. No FOMO. There's the pullback. See if we can pull back here to the 308s. Managed to get a little short going here. Just one contract. Had multiple contracts out there. Only got filled for one. So we'll see if we can pull back here. Take a quick $20. $20 make you holla. Nice. So let's see if we get a pullback to this previous area of this where this bull flag kind of broke out. See what happens at that point. We'll see what happens at that point. If you guys want to learn more about the platform that I'm using for trading futures, there's a link in the chat box. So right now, the QQQ kind of riding that trend there on the EMA right there. Looking here at the SPY right now. If we look at the same chart, looking very similar here on the SPY. The SPY resistance coming up there at the 412, 413 area. SPY also kind of just going straight up right now. You see this overall trend we got going here on the 3-minute chart. Definitely needs to pull back here on the SPY and on the QQQ. Do I think we get a run up here? Oh, $1 million question, huh? I think you could pretty much go like this. Look for a breakout. On this trend here. Break back above the 680s on the M&Q on futures. Could get us moving back up here. Push up to the 310s maybe. But still, I would feel like we need more of a pullback here. I wouldn't want to chase it at this point, is what I'm thinking. Even if the market does push through here, I wouldn't want to be chasing it up there. Even though it might go higher, I definitely feel like that would be a bit of FOMO. Unless we just get some big old push up here. You missed the move, Pat. You missed it. Don't worry, there's always more moves to come, my friend. The market is full of opportunities. You just got to be patient to wait. Wait for those opportunities. And then be ready to capitalize. Watching this 309 area on the QQQ here. If we can hold here, might get a push up to the 310s. This thing to get back over 309. See if it's going to be like a little bull flag here again to get a breakout. The high on that last candle there was 309.14, so we're pushing above that high of that last candle here on the 3-minute chart. See if we can run to 309.50, push through there. Got the 680s on the MAQ acting as resistance right now. If we could push through there, we're clear for takeoff, boys. Having a little bit of trouble here. Let's see if we can squeeze. Can the bulls step back into control? Need to get a move here. Don't want it to consolidate too long at this point because then we get that roll off here. Got to keep momentum pushing. Pushing momentum. We got to keep squeezing the shorts. If we want to go to the moon, we need rocket fuel, and we need the shorts to be that rocket fuel. Oh, baby. Look at this push up here, still holding. Get through the 80s here on the MAQ now. Look for the squeeze up. There we go. Long from the 70s up to the 80s right now. See how high we could push up here. 309.50 would be my first target. Take a little bit of profit at. A little bit of trouble there. Oh, come on. Oh, dumping it. I'll jump out there. Getting denied at that resistance. We'll let it figure out what it wants to do now. Look at that candle. Just got denied. Trying to push up there. The high, 309.34. Will this be the beginning of sell, sell, sell? Or a fake out here? Almost like a double top here. Double top of that 309.50 right now. Should get us to get pull back. I like to see a pullback to the 308s. I think overall getting that pullback would be good. If the bulls want to keep moving higher, never a bad thing to go back a little bit. Take a step back, you know? Hit those levels again. Show us the support. Watching the 660s here on the MAQ, get the breakdown. Oh, man. Might have just been a big fake out. Let's see where this candle closes at. If we get back above 309. Maybe they can squeeze it back up here. Some choppy action right now. Choppy. Wow. Interesting move right here. Just consolidating at this level now. The 308, 50s, 309s. This is the Qs. This is the SPY. The SPY having trouble there at the 412, pulling back 411s now. Should get a pullback here. Down to the 308s looking for. Bit of a battle right now between the Bears and the Bulls. This thing could break out and squeeze up there again to the 310s, or squeeze through that the 309.50s up to the 310s. It just doesn't know which way it wants to go. All right, I think we're let's see if we get this touchdown to the 308s here. Some good consolidation here. Get to finally get this thing to break back out to the upside here. We can get going again. Basically in this channel right now. That flag almost. Looking at the bigger time frames. 15-minute chart looking like a bull flag there. Get back above 309 here. That previous area of resistance from yesterday, if that turns into support, it's gonna be bullish, baby. Bullish. See if things want to see if this thing goes. Oh my God. See if it wants to push up here. Get back above 309. It does seem to have that bullish feeling, Roy Jenkins. I think if we break out of here and we start moving back up, we definitely will push up there to the 310s. Let's go. Push 309, baby. There we go. Back above 309 now. Not a bad call. Not a bad call, baby. Not a bad call, boys. Up there at 309.50. Ha-woo-hoo-hoo. Now the question is, can we push through 309.50 up to the 310s? We had the right feeling. We had the right feeling, Roy. That bullish feeling. Just felt it deep in my soul. Just felt it deep down, man. Deep down in my soul here. Now can we push 310s here on the QQQ? You got the SPY right there at that level 2. SPY pushing up to a 412.50 area as resistance. Come on, baby. Let's go. There's only one way I want to go, and that's up. Look at this trade right now on the MAQs. From the 60s now up to almost the 700s, baby. Let's go. Take a little bit of profit right here. Daddy likey, daddy likey. Nice. Lock it in like $200 in profit there on that trade. Beautiful, baby. Beautiful. Beautiful, baby. Are we back into the multi-day uptrend? We're kind of. I guess it just depends where you wanted to draw your lines at. But yeah, we're back into it. The Bulls are back, baby. The Bulls are back. Let's go. You can see the QQQ pushing back up into that area of support. The SPY having a little bit of trouble there at the 412s. Ooh. One thing that I would say about that last little trade there, if you guys were looking at the 1 minute chart on the M and Qs, or probably the same on the MES as well, but just look at these 1 minute candles, just people stepping in there, buying the dip, buying the dip, buying the dip, trying to push this back up. So a lot of the wicks on these candles, almost I would say the majority of the wicks, the bigger size wicks on these candles were on the bottom. So that was telling us that the bulls were not done. The bulls were not done just yet. The bulls were not done just yet. Looks like we're going to push the 310. Let's go, boys. Look how beautifully that worked out there. Entering on that trade for the breakout of that push up. And now up there almost to 310. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Have you not hit that like button? That's the $1 million question. Hey. Steven making some money. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, that's always how it goes there, Steven. It's always coulda, shoulda, woulda, woulda, you know.
See, this is interesting because they already tested active and they're trying to, I still think this is a fake out and that we're gonna get a rug pull. That's my guess. But for right now, I'm still sitting tight. I'm not heading or doing anything right now until the chart tells me otherwise.
Right now, watching the SPY up to the 310s. Let's go. I mean, the QQQ The SPY at 413 now, pushing up there above 410. I mean, above 310 here on the QQQ now. Yeah, I went South Shore.
Yeah, if you're still listening, our little minions with their head up their ass. Oh, he's probably a paper trader. I mean, unreal. By the way, that person that said that paper trader comment, that was a compliment, by the way. You know, if they end up pulling the rug, it just sucks because I got it, way lower. So
The QQQ up to almost 310.50 now. Wowzers.
bells are ringing.
Literally not stopping since we broke out. Look at this thing. We broke out of that move earlier. Could have held on for another 20 handles there. Let's go.
There's Mr. Buckhart Man himself. He made a little money on the log.
Look how beautifully that broke out.
Wow, why are you so butthurt, man? Why are you so butthurt? Well, clearly you are worried. Always ask yourself, guys, would a happy and successful person act the way they're acting? That's all you gotta ask yourself.
Still climbing here. 310.43 now.
Yeah, if you're still listening, our little minions with their head up their ass. Oh, he's probably a paper trader. I mean, unreal. By the way, that person that said that paper trader comment, that was a compliment, by the way. Getting all butthurt yesterday, talking all this shit, then coming here to talk shit. I mean, wow. Wow. For someone that's doing it just for fun that doesn't even have 50 subscribers. Wow, that goes to show you something. was trying to steal people to start a channel. Are you kidding me? Only wow. First of all, Patrick, I'm a trader, not a YouTuber. You are a YouTuber first, trader second. With your little IronBeam and this and that, blah blah. Nothing wrong with that, but you know, all your little brain dead 90% loser of the masses, you know, that's who your audience is.
So pulling back here, the QQQ pulling back here, MNQ.
Yeah, he got butthurt because the day before, Vlad was saying after party on my stream. He deleted those messages, and then yesterday you see what happened. After I made him look like an idiot on that awesome short, he's just sitting there on his hands. You know, butthurt with everyone in the chat. Once I said it's awfully quiet in here, I guess no one's short. I think that was a straw that broke the camel's back. He didn't like that.
See if we bounce here. Hold the EMA area.
Right now, if you're long, you definitely want to be taking profits, in my opinion, because whether they continue this or not, the chart's getting a little tired. I'm not saying it happens right now, but I still think we'll see some kind of growth pull this afternoon. We're either going to get that, or like Vlad said earlier, maybe we do kind of get this grind all the way up to like 415. Oh no, he just came in here to talk shit.
Watching the pullback here. Oh gosh, I just kicked the damn light.
Okay. I don't know what the quote is or who said it, but there's some kind of quote about, you know, if you don't have any haters, you're not doing it right. I mean, it just goes to show you how people are such pieces of shit. You know, getting attacked from doing nothing but sharing ideas, of which a majority of those ideas turn out to be very helpful if made to someone. No good deed goes unpunished. See, on one hand, I want to help people, but on the other hand, 90% of people are pieces of shit. That's been my experience. Eventually, they show their true colors. Eventually.
Just waiting to see if we get a bounce here. Patience, my friends. Patience, boys.
Yeah, so I'm sitting tight here. I'm not gonna play any games where, get in like whatever, just get in the 412s and build a position. I'm not even gonna do that right now. So today could, I mean, we still got a lot of time here. Today could end up sucking because
What is
if we
Johnny?
can somehow keep grinding. Obviously, the chart could reset itself and present an opportunity for a good entry higher or lower. That could always happen, but we get some stupid grind update at 415. That really misses 315. That's gonna suck. I'm just gonna take a loss on those 405s and maybe just sit tight. Again, still have a lot of time here, but I'm just saying if that ends up happening, I would say that's in the 20% chance that ends up happening. Yep.
Market just sitting here right now. Sitting on my hands, boys. We're sitting on the hands right now. No trade. Don't need to go and trade every single move. Remember that. We wait for a solid, beautiful setup here. Like we had earlier. Just an overall beautiful setup there from the 308s up there to 310.50. If you missed out on that move, well, just be patient. Wait for the next one. I think if we can turn this 309 level, this previous area of resistance, turn that resistance into support, well, then we can get moving again here. And then we can get moving. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Like it, like it, like it, like it. The SPY also at the 412 area looking for a bounce. That previous area of resistance, that turning into support again will be a very bullish sign. You can see earlier getting stuck at that 412 area multiple times, right? 412 multiple times, getting stuck. And then right now looking to see if we can get a reversal off of that previous area of resistance here. And start to push back up. Looking at the bigger picture here, target-wise, I mean, there's room all the way on the SPY. There's room all the way up to the 416s. And then on the QQQ, I mean, there's plenty of room as well, all the way up to like 312. So there's upside potential here. Upside potential. Let's see if it's going to be the breakout. Get back above 310 here. I like that little doji candle there. Almost a doji. Almost very, very close to doji candle. Could be the sign of a reversal here. I do want to err a little bit on the side of caution after this big run up. We haven't been close to the VWAP in quite some time. We have not been close to that VWAP in a little bit. VWAP's all the way down there at the 307, 306 area. 306.80 on the VWAP there. Let's see if the bulls can push the QQQ, the Qs back above the 310 here. Come on, bulls. Let's go. Let's get one more big old boner candle. Come on. Push through the 310s here. Get this party started. We go to 312 today. Who likes making money? I like making money. You like making money? I like making money. Let's go. Looking for this push through the 310s. If we can get it. If we can get it here. See if that previous area of resistance turns into the support here that we needed to get the move higher. A little bit of a battle right here. We are going into the middle of the day here now. Could get some sideways action. Nothing I hate more than sideways action. I don't know about you guys. Either I want to go straight up or I want to go straight down. Not sideways, not sideways. Never sideways. Only up or down, baby. What time is the post office open at? I gotta figure this out. What time is the post office open at? 9 o'clock? Well, let's see. What time? Post office opens at 9 a.m. I should have known. It's currently 6 a.m. here in Hawaii. Can we hold? Come on. Let's get the push. Looking good for a push here. We just got to get through that 310 level. Holding this 309s right now. The SPY, the QQQ, all looking identical right now for a breakout. We get this move. The whole market's going to the moon. Let's go. Over 310, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Push it, baby. Push it. Push it real good. Give me $100 in profit. Let's go, boys. Taking a little. Oh, come on. No fill. I'll hold on. I think I'm going to hold on a little longer. I think we can push, baby. We can push. Oh, no. Oh, no. Through the 310s, we got to get going. Let's do it. Having some trouble here. Not sure if I could jump out here. I'm going to hold it a little longer. As long as we can hold the 90s here. I'm going to stop on the 90s. Do not like how we got denied there at the 310s, but hopefully this candle can push back up this next candle. Get some choppy action. You can see that last candle here on the Qs. Running into some trouble there, some resistance. There we go. Starting to push, starting to push. Let's just get through that 310s. Give me a boner candle, damn it. Want to buy boner candle. Still long on the M&Q. Looking for a push up here. Still long. Looking for a push. As long as we can hold the 690s on the M&Q, I'll stay long. Young Cha. Let's go. Famous in Vietnam. Is it Vietnam or Korea? Which one? Sometimes I forget what countries I'm even famous in. Sometimes I forget. Come on, push through 310s here. Korea, yeah, there we go. South Korea. I'm famous in South Korea. Let's go. Little did I know when I was a young child that one day I would be famous in Korea. I got more fans in Korea than the whole entire world. Gaizua. Young Cha. Come on, let's get this push, baby. Dong Dong is my big fan. Let's go. So those 690s here held. The 690 support area was holding. I'm still long. Let's go. We can push over 310s here. We're going. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, this thing's getting tight, boys. It's getting tight. We can get a run. Get a run up to the 730s. My target. The high of days so far will be my target here. No AMC apes in Korea. There's probably some AMC apes in Korea. We just got to get through 310 here on the QQQs. Get through that 310 area. We're going 310.50. Like that. Hold 310s. Come on, push, baby, push. Push. All right, I'm going to lock in that profit there. I'm not liking that we're not pushing through here right now, so we're having a little bit of trouble. It's the middle of the day. We could kind of chop around here, or maybe we squeeze higher now. Now that I've taken profit, trying to be safe here, this probably is going to squeeze up, but I'm going to be safe with it. A lot of kind of just, you know, a little sideways action there. Oh, gosh. We got zero equilibrium coming through with one call and a smiley face afterwards. Don't get too excited. This thing's going to rip your face off there, sideways, boy. Oh. Pushing now, pushing. I don't know why I do that to myself. I needed to just instead of trying to like, oh, I'm going to get out for my small profit, I need to just like put my stop loss, break even, and stick to my plan. Because there it goes. Son of a bitch. Up there to the 730s. It's coming. That was my target. 730 target there. Velocity Ventures. Patience if long to get big gains. Take the punches and win. Is that like one of those Confucius sayings? Subliminal messaging. Take the punches and win. Okay. I like it. I like what you're putting down. Oh, man. She's going to 730. What did I just say? What did I just say? Zero equilibrium. You're banned. Get out of here. You thought you were funny for your sideways comment and your smile, but look at you now. Eating your words. Oh my gosh. 730. There's it. There it goes. There she goes. 310.50 now on the Qs. This could be a double top, though. Be careful, my friends. I still think we're just... I don't like how far we are from the VWAP. I guess it's only been like 2 hours, so maybe we could stay away from the VWAP a little. It's been like 2.5 hours since we touched the VWAP. But there's that push here on the M&Q up there to the 30s. Nice little move on that pullback. Like I said, doing exactly what we wanted the market to do here. in terms of turning that support or that previous resistance into support here. Boom, boom, boom. It did it multiple times, actually. Almost like turning this area into support after pushing through that resistance. And then riding, baby. Riding. 310.51 now here on the Qs. Up there to 311. Let's go. Wow. 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 Up there to 740 now. Zero Equilibrium's banned for life after that sideways comment. I love it. I love it that people will comment and then, like, you know, like maybe the market goes sideways for 5 seconds and then they go, yeah, see, I was right. And then look at it now. This is the problem with the internet. I should poll the audience. Man, look at literally the NASDAQ and the SPY is almost identical right now. The NASDAQ pushed up a little bit more, pushing through that previous resistance, but the SPY getting stuck at that 413.20 area, previous resistance there. So interesting. It's almost 6:30 here in Hawaii. We're going into the middle of the day. This is normally when I end up losing money. If I went back in time and I searched through all the trades that I've ever made in my entire life, I would guarantee that a massive percentage of my losses happened between 12 o'clock and 2 o'clock. 100%. I'm saying a majority of the losses that I've made trading would come between 12 o'clock, maybe even 11 o'clock and like 2 o'clock. Would be interesting to see. But that's one thing I definitely know that, yeah, little hesitant to just keep trading throughout the day. Steven Tierlongo, did you get in on that break to the upside here? I'm thinking you did. You had your stop limit order there. Let's go, boys. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. It's there. Ooh, Steven's still long. Let's go, boys. Dark Shadow made a ton of money overnight. Let's go. Well, don't be afraid to hit that donation button, you know? Donate to the poor. Donate to the poor people out there. 311's looking like she wants to get touched here on the Qs right now. The SPY breaking above that previous little resistance area here. 311 coming up. Oh my gosh. Why? This is a serious issue, my friends. A serious issue that I have right now. So much. I have a serious issue. I have a serious issue of taking profit too early. Oh my, 311.05 now. Let's go. Look at that. I could have stayed long pretty much all the way up there to the 40s. My target was the 30s here, but we got all the way up to the 40s. Now up there to 60s. Oh. Oh. Dark Shadow said, so much knowledge to collect from you. It really taught me a lot. Hey, I might not be an expert, but I sure am entertaining. 311 now on the Qs here. Man. She's just going. Oh, man. Oh. Look at this thing right now. Oh. She's still squeezing. The Q's now up to 311.20. There's the move. All right. So I've been live for about an hour and 30 minutes. We started a little bit late today, but I definitely feel like I'm getting some FOMO. I can just feel the FOMO building, right? The FOMO is real. So my hair looking like Karen right now. Hey, it always could go the other way. Those are famous words there, Roy Jenkins. Famous words to live by. It could always go the other way. So there it is. I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work on a little video for the YouTube. I'm going to go outside. It's going to be a beautiful day here in Hawaii. Enjoy my life. Make a little profit. Trade a little bit. Do the live streams. And here we are. So, again, thanks for tuning in. I was a little late today. We'll be live tomorrow morning for Fresh Cash Friday. Tomorrow morning, Fresh Cash Friday, baby. 9:30 a.m. Eastern. I will see all of you beautiful people. I'll see all you beautiful people. Dark Shadow. You say you're not an expert, but you taught me so much. Damn. I'm gonna shed a little tear for you. A tear. That was the nicest thing that anyone has ever said on YouTube to me. Thanks a lot. I do appreciate it. It's always rewarding to get, some I wouldn't even say accolades, but get some some good response from people out there. Sometimes I feel like it's easy to focus on the negatives. Easy to focus on the negatives, my friends. The Q is still pushing 311, man. What a time to be alive. All right. So if you guys haven't already, do me one big favor, hit that like button, subscribe button. I will be live tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. I got a video coming out later. We're talking about kind of some of the setups that went down today. And yeah, good times. Fresh Cash Friday tomorrow morning. You know where to tune in at. You know where to find us. See you guys then.